Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off text chat in Roblox. So if you want to disable the text chat in Roblox for yourself or your child, then you can do this by adjusting the privacy settings in your Roblox account. So simply click onto this gear icon once you're logged in onto your account. So right after there is settings, click onto that again. And then right after, click on privacy and content restriction. So you should be able to see communication in there, and there is experience chat. So this is where you could go ahead and adjust the settings for your chat. So chat with other users in the same experience server. When you restrict one of the settings, other related settings may also be restricted. So for experience chat, you could go ahead and choose who you can text chat with an experience server. So you could opt for no one, and also for direct chat. So you could just simply click on no one, but if you want to activate this again, just click everyone for this. And that is how easy you could turn off text chat in Roblox. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and then we'll see you on to our next videos.